Okay, we're graphing another one by using transformations. Our base graph this time is y equal x squared. Here's the key points: 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, negative 1, 1, negative 2, and 4. So we have a U-shaped graph for a parabola when you have x squared. No flips on this one. So for this one we're going to move it 2 places to the right because you got a -2. So again, we move it 2 places this way. We're going to move it down 1 unit, which means that the graph is going to be the bottom of the graph, the bottommost part. This point here is really going to end up moving to that location. To get the other points, if I'm starting from 0, 0, since there's no flips, I can just follow what's drawn here. I can go up 1 and 1 to the right. I'm going to go up 1 and 1 to the left. So from here I go up 1 and 1 to the right. Gets me that intercept right there. I'm going to go up 1, 1 to the left. So now I get those 2 points. So I got those 2 points again by following the key points I have here. Instantly now I know 2 of my x-intercepts. It's going to be at 1 and 3. Let's keep on going. From the starting point, if I want to get these 2 points here, I'm going to go 2 places to the right and up 4. I'm going to go 2 places to the left and up 4. So from here I'm going to go 2 places to the right and up 4. So 2 this way, up 4, I get this. Here I'm going to go 2 places to the left, up 4, I get that one right there. So I'm going to connect this, and we see here that we do get our parabola graph. It looks exactly the same as this one. My y-intercept is going to have to be 3. That's where it crosses the y-axis. For this one, what I have going on is I notice that the flips exactly, or the movement is exactly the same. I'm moving it 2 places to the right and down 1, just like the previous graph. Let's take a look at this negative. Now, the negative on the inside means that you're flipping this over the y-axis. If I take this graph and I flip it over the y-axis, what happens is I get exactly the same graph as I started with. So this graph right here is going to be the answer for part B. Again, the reason why is because I would do the same thing. I move it 2 places to the right and down 1. The graph would be flipped over the y-axis, which means the graph would look exactly the same as this one. And so it's going to be graphed exactly the same like I have here. Algebraically, we can show that's the same as well. If I take this one, this is the same as negative 1 squared and x minus 2 squared. The negative 1 that's squared, that negative is actually going to go away. Negative to an even power, that disappears. So that's going to be just x minus 2 squared minus 1. We've shown that this equation is exactly the same as A, and so because it is, it makes sense that the graph should be exactly the same as well.